All right, are we back? So now we're going over March 2025 numbers. Let me take a drink of water. All right, let's get into this. So our sales for March was 47,797. It was a decrease of 3.7K in sales, so 3,700 less. Our margin was 51%. Our cost of goods for the month of March was 23,431. To give you a more detail of our actual sales, our online sales was 25.5. Our retail store was 15.5. Our vending machine sales was 4.9, and then our wholesale was 1.7. The month of March is like coming off that February rush, so sometimes it's a little lower. And we also begin the season on our vending machine, so we start actually purchasing more materials for our vending machine. So the raw materials we purchased for our vending machine as we ramp up was 4.9. So basically, the sales for the month of March also equal what we spent in purchasing the product as we begin the season at the theme park. I don't know if anyone or if I mentioned it before, but our vending machine, most of the businesses at theme park Legoland. It's in Goshen, New York, and we provide the snacks and treats for the employees, but working on some bigger things there as well. Yeah, so our gross profit for the month was 24,366, and our advertising expense for the month was 2320, increase of $600 from the prior month, just due to the roll in and an increase in the way that Google charges. We do most of our advertising on Google, as I stated before, and then our operating or general expenses were 4,996, which is a $2,800 difference from the prior month. We better managed our payroll at that time, and that was a decrease of 2,100 for the month. So we did a pretty good managing our payroll. And then our occupancy expenses was 7,406. My rent was 5,008, which is on par with what we normally spend, around $5,000 per month. And the utilities was 1,038, which is on par with what we generally do around that time of the year. Repairs was 841. The repairs starting off the year have been more than what we expected, but what are you going to do? Things happen. So our operating income for the month was 9,644. That could be more. Actually, we need to do a better job of taking our monthly inventory, and that's something I'm working on addressing as the year goes through. We need to really take more account of our inventory and see what we have on hand at month end, so we can have a more accurate financials. But yeah, so that was March. It was nothing too crazy, nothing really to report. It was just I would say a pretty decent month, not bad. Yeah, and that was it. Thank you. Please like, share. Next month will be April, and we're rolling right through them. Thanks.